up at 5:30 and fell back asleep. It's time to get up. It's time to take the bus to school. I'm so sorry, my honey. I love you. Let's pick out your clothes for the day. What? What? What are you trying to tell me? Huh? What are you trying to tell me? I'm almost done editing my video. What's wrong with you? You don't? You got issues? What? Do you need to go outside? Your patience while I finished part 1 of my Daniel story, Henry. There are some blessings in not having to work, and that is getting to upload special videos and use your creative talents in doing so. So now we can get ready and go do some things, okay? Yeah, that's right. The heater's been on. It's nice. So good afternoon. It is Tuesday, and I have been hanging around. Nothing to do but frown. No, I haven't been frowning. I've been working on videos. I just uploaded, or I'm uploading one video, or rendering it rather. Part 1 of Daniel's story, because it's just feeling good to kind of talk about it. So I'll do that, and then I'll do my regular vlogs too. But I have to go out now to go saxophone lessons and take Henry out. It's really nice out, actually. Much nicer than I thought it would be. Oh, lots of junk mail. No good mail. So yeah, that's what's happening on this Tuesday, since I no longer can work. Come on, little man dog. Let's go. Hey, you. Oh no, my camera's running out of battery. Bummer. You know, I seriously can't wait to get rid of the landline, because all I get is not crank calls, but those, hi, congratulations, you won a cruise. You know, those kind of calls. One of these days I'm just going to get rid of it, because it's ridiculous. No humans call, just dial a number of people. All right, I'm making chicken. And having chicken for dinner, chicken and waffles. I mean, chicken and waffle fries for Thomas, and some vegetables and salad. And that's all. That's all. I uploaded a video, and I hope everybody likes it and gives it a thumbs up. And whoever gave it a thumbs down, I'm sorry you don't like my video. I worked really hard on it. I worked all day. Anyway, that's okay. So, yep, things are going okay. I'm doing pretty good in my not working mode. Just kind of catching up on life and enjoying spending more time with YouTube. So, that's going on. And, yeah. Want some chicken, Henry? Henry likes chicken. So, how are you guys doing? Is everybody doing okay? I am amazed at the beautiful messages I get from you guys. Like, I just want you to know how much I appreciate it, and I try to keep up with returning comments, but I can't always return them right away, but I read them, and I just can't even believe how kind people are. So thank you, and I appreciate that. And with that being said, I'm going to go make dinner for the family. Like, I actually cooked dinner. Like, I'm in a good mood. And it's nice when you don't get stressed out during the day because you have to do too many things. I mean, I did a lot of things, but I didn't have to go be an agent for half an hour, half a day. If I could only learn how to talk again, I'd be okay. He said, but wait, I'm waiting for a piece of chicken to fall. I want to eat it.
No, I don't mind giving him a little bit of chicken, but I'd rather give it to him in a bowl.
Yeah, put it in his dish. Fill his water bowl. Don't give him the sauce. How are you feeling today? Hello?
What?
You didn't tell us what the best part of your day was.
I'm leaving work.
You just said the F word.
Oh, I'm sorry.
This is a family channel.
I'm sorry. Scrape this, please.
Yes, and you're cracking up.
You don't? You got issues?